Welcome back to the channel. My name is Thomas Fletcher and I'm the host of the LCSW Network. If you're new to the channel, please do me a favor by smashing that like button, by subscribing to the channel, and by sharing this video with your social work colleagues and friends. The purpose of this channel is to create a community of hope and support, where social workers can come for relevant news, information, and inspiration. Well, welcome back to Self-Care Saturday. Welcome back to Season 6, Episode 20 of our Self-Care Saturday series. So, this is the place where we refill our cups before pouring into others. I'm so glad that you're here with me today. Today, we're diving into something that sounds simple, but for many of us, it's not. And that is how to use vacations for true rest and reset. Now I want you to pause and ask yourself, when was the last time you took a vacation that actually left you feeling restored? Not just distracted, not just unplugged for a minute, but rested and reset. So let's talk about how to turn that dream into a reality. In part 1, we will talk about the myth of the, quote, busy vacation. Too often, our vacations become extensions of our stress. We book too many activities. We check email just in case. Or we travel with people whose energy drains us. That's not rest, that's just relocation. Here's the truth. Rest is not a luxury, it's a discipline. And for those of us in the helping professions, social workers, psychologists, psychiatrists, nurses, counselors, and therapists, we carry emotional weight all year long. A true vacation should lighten that load and not add to it. So if your vacations usually leave you tired or irritable, it might be time to rethink what a restorative break really looks like. All right, so in part 2, we are going to define what rest looks like for you. We all rest differently. There's no one size fits all. So before you plan your next time off, ask yourself the following questions. Do I feel restored by quiet and solitude or by community and connection? Do I crave nature, or would a spa day fill my soul? Is my rest more physical, like sleep and stillness, emotional, like laughing with friends, or creative, like painting, writing, or dancing? Your rest should match your burnout. If you're physically exhausted, don't book a hiking trip with a 4 a.m. wake-up call. If you're emotionally drained, maybe don't vacation with your very opinionated in-laws. Listen to your body and spirit. Let them guide the itinerary. Part 3, protect the boundaries of your rest. Rest doesn't just happen, it has to be protected. Here are some boundary tips. Number 1, set a firm work cutoff date. No sliding into just one more task the day before your trip. 2, communicate your time off early, whether it's to clients, colleagues, or your supervisor. Make it clear that this is your time to recharge. Number 3, silence notifications. Seriously, turn them off. You are not obligated to be reachable just because your phone has Wi-Fi. And here's a big one. Don't feel guilty for resting. In a profession centered around service, we sometimes tie our worth to how much we do. But your humanity matters more than your productivity. Part 4, rest is more than a destination. It's a mindset. True rest isn't only about where you go. It's about how you go. So here are a few ways to take your rest deeper. Number 1, slow down. Eat meals slowly. Walk without a purpose. Let time stretch. Number 2, unplug with intention. If you can, try a tech-free day, or at least a tech-light one. Notice what happens when your nervous system isn't chasing constant stimulation. Number 2, practice stillness. Even 10 minutes of quiet meditation or mindful breathing can bring deep rest to your brain and body. Number 3, reflect. Bring a journal and ask yourself, what am I releasing? What am I receiving? Let your vacation be a ritual, not just a break. All right, part 5. Re-entry is part of the rest process. Okay, here's something we often forget. How you return from vacation matters. Don't schedule back-to-back meetings your first day back. Ease into your workload. Maybe come back on a Friday instead of a Sunday. Give yourself time to reintegrate. You can also create a post-vacation ritual. Maybe it's a warm bath, a solo walk, or even just a quiet hour to unpack with music playing and candles lit. Re-entry can be sacred too. All right, so here are our closing thoughts. Rest as resistance, rest as renewal. As Audre Lorde said, caring for myself is not self-indulgence, it is self-preservation. And in this world, especially in this field, that's revolutionary. Vacations are not just a break from work, they are a return to self. So as you look ahead to your next time off, I hope you'll ask, how can I make this vacation not just a pause, but a reset? Not just fun, but healing. You deserve that. Okay, so I want to thank you for spending your Saturday with me. If this episode resonated with you, share it with a fellow healer who needs the reminder. And remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's survival. Until next time, take gentle care of yourself. And as I always say at the end of my videos, thank you for the work that you do every day, for your clients, for your agency, and for the profession. Please continue to take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now.